Hey guys, it's Shubham here back with another video, and today I have with me Samsung Galaxy F34 5G, which is basically a clone of the M34 5G. So I already unboxed it because of the open box delivery, but now I'm gonna show you some of the specification and the feature. And I got this phone only for 13,000 rupees, which is really good deal in my opinion. Not only this phone has a 5G but also really good features like 120Hz AMOLED display and all that stuff. So let me show you guys some of this stuff. So inside you will get the cable. No, you won't get the charger, which is really big deal for me. I wish they provided the charger because most phone of this price range provide pretty much charger in the box, but I really like this simplistic look of this unboxing. So as you can see, here's the phone itself. Any issue? So as you can see, the black color looks really good in my opinion. But let me turn this on. Let me complete the setup. So as you can see, the device is ready now, and you will get some bloatware pre-install on this phone, but it is fine. You can easily uninstall them, as you can see here, and it is uninstalled. Also the camera is really good of this phone. I will provide some sample in the few minutes, but let me show you guys overall how this device really is. As you can see, as you guys know, this phone does have Exynos 1280, which is not quite fast. Okay, so I just finished the setup, and as you can see, the screen looks really good. It is 120 Hz, so as you can see, the animations are really smooth. It is also the colors looks really good. It is AMOLED display. For this price point, this is the best display you can get. Let's check out some of the stuff, and as you can see, it does come with a 50 megapixel camera. Although the camera seems to be okay, as you can see, it does capture pretty good images, although they are very saturated. It also has 0.5 which is wide angle. It is only 8 megapixel, and 2x which is from the main camera as well, and it does capture pretty good photos in my opinion, so don't worry about that at all. But for this price, this is the best you can get for the value. When it comes to the video, it can record up to 4K video without EIS. Only 1080p support EIS. Now this is just something I was very worried about, because most of the phones will come with the 4K recording. So as you expected, this phone does have 4K. DRM is wide while L1, so you can watch all the Netflix content. Let me show you some of the samples for how good the content look. Although this phone does not support HDR videos, so you will see them in the 1080p HD without HDR. So let me show you the speaker. The speaker of this phone is really good. This phone does not have dual speaker, so the sound quality is really good. So as you can see, sound quality is not that bad. Also with this phone you will get that knock security and also the secure folder, so you can save here all your favorite photos. Right now I did not set up this, so I will do that later, but you will get that knock security in this phone. This phone is very minimalistic and does not offer too many features, so don't expect too many features on this phone. Though this is really good for the price they're giving out for 13,000 rupees. This is the best phone you can buy. Also this phone has headphone jack, so you can connect all your old school devices, and also there is a micro SD slot here, which is very rare to see on this phone. You also get option for the always on display, but the device display is stuck on either 60 or 120, so that means you cannot do that refresh rate variance, so you won't able to save the refresh rate at all. Running on the Android 13, you will get 2 3 years more updates on this, which is pretty cool in my opinion.